second now. At any moment, the mail person is gonna come walk up my driveway, deliver the package. I've been waiting for 3 whole days for her. So far, no sign of him or her, but I'll be ready. I'll be ready. But until then, I'm gonna sit down and wait. I've been waiting here for 30 minutes. They're still not here. Maybe it's gone. Maybe it's just lost out there. Somewhere out there in the world. Somewhere where it could be used for other things other than what it's supposed to be made for. Never again. Never again am I ordering something off the internet. What the? Marvin? Is this my package? When did it get here? I was sitting here for the past 30 minutes waiting for this. I didn't even see it come. Well, thanks man. I'm gonna do an unboxing of this right now. Can you close the door? Hey, Marvin, 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 how are you doing that? How are you? Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing, or in this case, unbagging the Brevity Rolltop Bag. So let's get right into it. So let's get it open. And here's the bag. Whoa! Alright, now we got it out of that bag. Oh, there it is. So this is that removable bag that you get with the backpack. And these are the inserts that go along with it. That's really cool. But then here's the main attraction, the Brevity Rolltop. Take a look at that. Really nice. It's actually really big. It's actually bigger than I expected it to be. But here's all that. Wow. I like the material on it so far. Seems really, really nice. The reason why I got this backpack was because I'm going to be traveling to the Philippines. And I didn't want to be walking around with the current backpack I have. The North Face Borealis. It's a great backpack when I bought it. It's great for school and good for like short days in travel, like a weekend getaway traveling. But what I noticed is that since I'm going to be doing more YouTube and bringing a camera equipment and like batteries and all these little tiny things, I need a camera bag. But I didn't want to have to bring my North Face bag and then like a separate camera bag. So I was looking online and I was like, is there any bag out there that's kind of like a hybrid? It has a designated space for camera stuff, but also has space for like other stuff like clothes or food or little things like memory cards, batteries, and all that kind of stuff. And after a couple days of searching on Google, this bag showed up. What I really like about this bag is that it's basically that. It's basically what I was looking for. I was looking for a hybrid bag where it's kind of a camera bag, but also like an everyday bag, weekend getaway kind of bag. And that's what leads me right here, having it in my hand. So we have this front pocket right here. And you can hold like all kinds of just little tiny stuff, memory cards, I don't know, pens, just like little stuff that you want to keep out in the front. And if you unbuckle these two in the front, it opens up and gives you access to the camera compartment, which is super cool. This camera compartment. Let's just go out through the outside of the bag first. So we have this little water bottle holder here on the side, but you could also put a tripod in here by putting like 1 or 2 legs in. On the other side, what really attracted me to this backpack was that they had this access to the side, and this is super important later on. But here we go on the back. We have these two little side pouches here, which is really cool because these side pouches have zippers and you can just like store things inside. Super cool. The left and right side have those little zippers to store stuff. There's of course padding, and then you have this little handle. Really nice. So what's cool about this bag is that it's a roll top bag. So we have this little carabiner here that kind of locks in or hooks in, and it kind of opens up. And if you can see that, once you unlock that, this thing is huge. It's like almost from my waist all the way up to the top of my head. Wow. But it opens up and there's just so much room in here. Like, I don't know what I can carry in here, but I can carry a lot. Right here, it has like little magnets right there. So, you know, it's super helpful. Magnets in the thing so that it doesn't open all the way. One of the main reasons why I bought this was for this removable camera insert that came with it. Now when I was looking online, I was looking at all my different options for backpacks of this similar style where it's like a camera backpack but also like an everyday kind of thing. And there were several backpacks I was considering, but I ultimately settled on this one because this camera insert thing was already included in the package. Other places where you would have to buy it separately, but this one was already included, so it was really cool. So I'm gonna try and put this inside the bag right now. And these camera inserts, these camera divider thingies go inside. This is cool. You have to take this insert, this removable insert, comes with the bag, and then you insert it in here. So if you look at that, you have the insert, and then we're gonna put it inside the bag. Alright. So yeah, so that's how the insert goes inside. So that's one of the main reasons why I got this, because you know, this doubles as a camera bag. I'll have all my camera stuff right here in this little section, and then all my like extra clothes or just anything that I need will be in this top portion. And there's like a lot of room here. It's kind of crazy how much room there is in here. Oh, I forgot to mention too, there's a laptop sleeve that can fit an 15-inch laptop, so you can fit a laptop in here. There's just so much room in here. Like, I feel like I could easily pack for like a week's worth of clothes in here, along with, you know, everything I need. But yeah, there's just so much room. And you know, since this is a roll top, it only expands to the amount of stuff you put in. So with that, you know, you'll be ready to go. On the bottom here, they also have some straps, and this is for like tripods or anything that you want to carry on the bottom, or maybe like a jacket. And what's also cool is that this bag comes with a rain cover. A rain cover built in. And you know, currently right now in the Philippines, I checked the weather, it's like raining like every day and storming. So this rain pack that comes with it was just kind of like a no-brainer, because the other brands I was looking at that are in this similar concept, you have to buy this separately, and like it's like another 20 bucks. I'm like, why would you put it separate? You also have this hip strap here, really good. Forgot to also mention that there's, along with the top being here, there's also this extra little pocket where you can put like stuff you need more on the go, and it's like a all the way through pocket. That's pretty much all I'm gonna say about it. It goes all the way through. It goes like that. So it's easy access to get your other stuff in here. Yeah, and see how this has a side access pocket? So when I wear it, right, I'm gonna be able to access the camera stuff right here from the side of the bag. I just said it was gonna be super rainy in the Philippines. I could quickly grab my stuff. You know, if it starts raining all of a sudden, there's an easy access door. Throw it inside there with all the camera stuff and close it up, and then you'll be good. So the number one reason why I bought this bag was because it was like a hybrid. It was a camera bag, but it's also kind of like a daily carry in that way, because you can take out the insert that I put in, you can take out and pretty much just use this entire space for just stuff that you need to bring. So that's why I got it, because some days I might want to carry a camera with me and then some clothes or whatever. And then some days I won't even need to bring a camera, so I can take that insert out or maybe leave it in and put some snacks in there, but I can still take it out and then use this entire space. Yeah, I'm super excited to use this on my upcoming trip, and I'll have a review for this out in maybe 1 month or maybe like a month and a half, because I have to like edit it and everything. But I'm gonna be using this for my entire trip as kind of like a daily carry to bring my camera stuff and then any kind of extra stuff like my phone, whatever. I'm excited to use this bag on my upcoming trip. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think, and look out for the review of this bag coming out in 1 month. Make sure you're subscribed to see when that launches. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and catch you later.